Welcome. In this video, we'll highlight current pedestrian challenges and preview 3 proposed solutions for a safer, more friendly Vineyard Road. Vineyard Road in South Phoenix is a busy historic neighborhood corridor that serves 3 schools and sees lots of pedestrian activity, especially during morning arrival and afternoon dismissal. However, many sections lack sidewalks and safe street crossings. You'll notice several half-street conditions near 16th, 10th, and 11th Streets where some sidewalks are missing. This creates significant challenges for people who walk, particularly near the 3 schools and during intermittent heavy traffic. These plus missing curb ramps make walking this corridor very challenging for everyone. At 16th Street, Alternative 1 adds sidewalks and parking on both sides, while Alternatives 2 and 3 also add traffic calming features and sidewalks set back from the road for added safety and shade. Let's look at a 3D street view of current conditions, highlighting the wide 8-foot sidewalk on the south side, 2 vehicle lanes, and unused space on the north side of the street. Alternative 1 keeps the wide 8-foot sidewalk and 2 travel lanes, adds parallel parking on both sides, and adds a new 5-foot sidewalk on the north side. Alternatives 2 and 3 are identical at 16th Street and both make significant safety improvements. We add traffic calming chokers to reduce vehicle speeds and a sidewalk set back from the road on the north side, lined with trees and landscaping for better shade and more pleasant walk. Plus, green stormwater infrastructure will help capture rainwater for nourishing trees and plants, creating a more inviting corridor for everyone. As we move west down Vineyard Road, Alternative 1 is consistent with the city's current street safety and design standards all the way to 11th Street. Alternatives 2 and 3 go beyond these with the continued application of traffic calming chokers and, as shown in green, a south sidewalk widened to 8 feet, making it safer and more comfortable for everyone walking, especially the school students. Here's what happens from 11th to 10th Street. Alternative 1 retains the city's current safety and design standards for a street of this type. Alternative 2 narrows the width of the pavement, removes some existing parking, widens the south sidewalk to 8 feet, and adds a new sidewalk on the north. Alternative 3 also widens sidewalks and redesigns the intersection at 10th Street with a small roundabout to help slow down vehicles. All options require some property purchases, but only Alternative 2 avoids impacting nearby homes and parking structures. Currently at 10th Street, there's 1 sidewalk on the south side only, 2 vehicle lanes, and an old irrigation ditch on the north side, which creates a narrow half-street with no sidewalks, and which creates challenges for people walking here. Alternative 1 improves safe walking conditions with 2 vehicle lanes, parking on both sides, and adds a new sidewalk on the north. This view shows Alternative 2 at 10th Street. Here, some on-street parking is removed, and the south sidewalk is widened to 8 feet, making it safer for everyone walking, especially the school students. On the north side, a sidewalk is added, separated from traffic and shaded by trees. These changes are carefully designed to preserve all adjacent buildings, ensuring that improvements enhance safety and comfort without negative impacts to the adjacent properties. Alternative 3 at 10th Street is similar to Alternative 1, but here a new small roundabout creates a safer road by slowing down traffic, and it adds a median and a wider sidewalk for people walking, making it easier and safer for them to cross while keeping traffic flowing smoothly. This simulation shows how people and vehicles would use a roundabout at 10th Street. Traffic would flow smoothly, people can walk and cross safely, and vehicle speeds are reduced for safety, improving accessibility for everyone. In this segment from 10th to 7th Street, Alternative 1 recommends upgrades to meet the city's current street safety and design standards. Alternatives 2 and 3 do the same, but also include 3 traffic calming choker applications to slow vehicles and improve safety for everyone. Here's an artistic rendering of the current street view. Notice the south sidewalk, 2 traffic lanes, and space for potential improvements on the north side. This sets up our comparison of the alternatives you'll see next. Alternative 1 aims to upgrade the roadway to meet the city's current safety and design standards by providing 2 travel lanes, parallel parking, and a new 5-foot sidewalk on the north side. Alternatives 2 and 3 both provide the same upgrades as Alternative 1, but they go a step further with the use of traffic calming measures. These help slow down cars and make the street safer. This alternative also recommends green stormwater infrastructure features, which manage stormwater runoff and help provide adjacent landscaping with water. The exact locations of these chokers would be further evaluated and determined during the design phases. This chart summarizes the main similarities and differences between the 3 proposed Vineyard Road alternatives. All 3 alternatives remove the half-street portions of Vineyard Road and construct new sidewalks, ADA ramps, and streetlights. And all 3 make improvements to the 11th Street intersection in front of John F. Kennedy Academy of Inquiry. Above and beyond this, only alternatives 2 and 3 also widen some of the existing sidewalks, add traffic calming measures to slow down vehicle traffic, green stormwater infrastructure to reduce water ponding in the street, and plant trees. These 2 alternatives also would construct sidewalks near 16th Street that are set back from the street to better separate cars from people who walk, creating a safer walking condition. Alternative 3 is the only alternative that includes constructing a roundabout at the intersection of Vineyard Road and 10th Street. Thanks so much for joining us today. The alternatives we've shown are designed to make Vineyard Road safer and more walkable for everyone. Keep in mind that this is simply a feasibility study, and no additional funding has been identified for creating the final design or construction. You can find these street layouts and more details about our study on the project website, including reports with in-depth information.